welcome back to Stuff We Love. Today we're talking about a meat thermometer. This is the meter, the M-E-A-T-E-R.
Yeah.
Get it? Meter? It's like a meter for your meat.
I think they got it.
Yeah.
I think they got it.
Tell me about this thing, Josh.
So this is actually, it's a probe, and you use it to cook your meats, chicken, steaks, whatever you're doing. Now this is the first wireless smart meter thermometer out there. And what I love about this thing is that it's made out of stainless steel. So for easy cleaning, if you're gonna clean it, I mean, it's not waterproof, so don't sink it in the bathtub.
Right.
But when you're done, take it and run it under some water to rinse it off and clean it up.
So this is it?
Yes, this is
Let me pull this out.
Yes.
This is it?
That's it. Well, yes, and we'll talk about this after, because this is the charger, this is the probe.
So you just,
That's it.
stick it in the meat and
Yeah.
that's it?
That's it.
How do you tell the temperature?
So this has got 4.0, it's wireless technology of Bluetooth. And what it does is you link to it and you stick this in, there's a little indentation right there. It says you need to get that into the meat. So this actually tells two things, which is really cool. It tells inside meat temperature and it tells the ambient temperature, which is on the outside.
Cool.
Now the inside, it'll go up to 212 degrees, which usually that's where Will likes his steaks at and stuff like that, the hockey puck
Oh yeah,
style.
I like it charcoal, baby.
You do?
Yeah.
Hard?
No.
Chainsaw to cut?
No.
So I'm a medium rare guy. I'm a medium rare guy. So, and then the outside here goes up to about 512 degrees on the outside. You're never going to be that high. So these do work with iPhones and Android apps.
Oh, so you have an app and you can just like watch how your meat's doing.
Yes, and you can actually have it alert you. So you can be cooking your meat and be like, hey, when it gets to 140, I want 150. I just alert me.
That is
it
so
will
cool.
alert you on your phone. Now I know a lot of you guys are out there thinking, oh, Bluetooth technology works 30 to 50 feet. Well, that is one of the things with this, but you can bridge this. So let's say you take your iPad and you Bluetooth it to this, then you can Wi-Fi it to your phone. You could be anywhere. I mean, you could be cooking at the store, anywhere, and you can get your readings back.
Don't walk away from your grill. If you're cooking, don't go grocery shopping while you're cooking or leave that meat set. I mean, you could theoretically, but don't do that.
No, we're not saying to do that. But I'm just saying you could. I mean, you can pick it up anywhere.
So tell me about this.
So this is the actual charger.
So it's a charger.
Yes.
It's bamboo. It
Yes,
looks like.
it
That's
is
cool.
Good
It's very
job,
sleek.
Will.
Yeah.
Jeez. And it's got magnets on it. So the door's got magnets, just pops off.
Oh, so there's a battery in
Yes.
there. So it charges with the AAA battery?
AAA battery, one AAA battery. You'll get up to 100 charges.
Whoa,
on
no
one
kidding.
AAA.
Okay.
Yeah. So and this is magnetic, so you can stick it on your grill, you can stick it on your fridge, wherever you want to put it.
Cool.
What's
Yeah, so
really
you don't
cool.
have to plug it in. That's
no,
nifty.
you don't at all. So you put the meat thermometer in there, you push it in, it's got a little LED indicator on there. You push the button, and it'll actually tell you where the charge sits at.
Cool.
So it'll be red if it's not fully charged, or it'll be green if it's charged. Yeah,
Well, that's
I
really,
mean,
really neat.
yeah,
So,
it
so how much is it?
take a guess. I like the guessing game.
The guessing game.
It's techie, so it's expensive.
Okay, I'll say 80 bucks?
No, 69 bucks.
69 bucks? Okay,
That's
cool.
not expensive, Will.
It's attractive. You could sit this on your desk. This can sit out in the
I know,
kitchen. It's a
I
very
know.
attractive utility.
It is, but the whole concept is to monitor your meat while you multitask, which is one of the coolest things, and then knowing you're not burning your meat. I mean, to alert you on your phone or your iPad, you can get out, I don't know. It's super sweet. I've had super good luck with it. Highly recommend it.
Cool. So it is the Meter Meat Thermometer, M-E-A-T-E-R. 69 bucks. You can check them out online at meter.com.
No regrets.
No regrets. Stay tuned for more Stuff We Love. Cool.
Dude, is that not?
Let's have a cookout. Let's go do it right now. I'm hungry.